Hi everyone, I so appreciate you stopping by to see what I am up to. I have my bag from Nail Shack, DIY Nail Shack. Love getting this every month. A big thank you to Deanna for continuing to send this to me. I love sharing this in some giveaways. I save up, keep some and I save some and share it as a giveaway. Usually I wait until I have like 3 full what you would get each month in a subscription, and then this way I can, do 3 winners and get them out. I just recently did one, so I have to wait another month or 2 before I can do it again. Nail Shack, DIY Nail Shack is on Cratejoy. You can get the adult pack $9.95, kid pack $8.75. Your Nail Shack pack will include 4 full sets of nail strips, 1 cuticle pusher, 1 nail file. Ships worldwide from the US. I love that she always includes this piece of paper, which is like tips and tricks, where to locate them, all that good information. And I keep this and include it in my giveaway so that you guys can have that. If you follow her on Instagram and like some of her posts, if possible, she will add them nail strips to your bag, at least 1 or 2 of them. And then this is how it comes packaged, always nicely bagged, and a cute little thank you sticker. And let's see what we have going on here. Okay, here's the nail file, cute flowers, and then pretty pink. I don't see the cuticle pusher, so that's okay. I'm not angry at that. First set is so adorable. How cute are these? Nice lilac with daisies. I think they're cute. These are interesting, like all different, like glittery, swirly colors. Like them. These are really cute too. Peach floral. Like. Ooh, these are my favorite. Great accent nail. Look at them. So adorable. Oh God, what ones would I use first? Probably these. I would love that as an accent. I can't do it with my dark green nails. Yeah, I mean, I guess I could. It would look fine. Huh. I might have to pop a nail color off and try to put some of them on. So that is my Nail Shack for September. Tell me what you thought about these. I'm loving these. Like I said, I keep like 1 or 2, because if I keep just this one, you know how many accent nails? I can get a lot of accent. I usually only do 2. Sometimes I do 2 on each hand. So I can get quite a few uses out if I just keep 1 and then share these, or keep 2 and give 2. So before you know it, I'll have a complete, 3 complete bags that I'll be able to share. So stay tuned. Probably October we'll have enough for a giveaway. Maybe we might have to wait for November. I'm not really sure. I will look into that, and if I have enough when I get the October bag, then I'll just do the giveaway in October. So let me know what you think of this company and these sets, and I think the price is very affordable. These nails will stay on, these nail strips, for a good solid 2 weeks. My little tip and trick is maybe once a week, twice a week, clear coat these. When you're sitting down watching TV, just put a coat of clear on them. It helps keep them adhered to your nail so that less damage, water doesn't get to them. I think that can't hurt, even if you just did it once a week. Keeps them shiny, and I think they last that little bit longer. I mean, I clean bathrooms, I do dishes, my hands in water, so but they will last a good 2 weeks. Just, I think I was doing it once a week, and I think one time I did it twice a week. It really didn't make much difference. Just clear coat them. And I appreciate you all watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see all of you in my next video. Bye bye now.